it's like very easy for me that I got this interview. I got the details of the company from Indeed. So I applied to them. What happened was I just had a small technical test, that is written test. I took an online test, and after 1 week, the CTO of the company made me that I got selected. After that, I thought like I'll have multiple technical interviews. But the reality, I didn't get any technical interviews. There were only 2 personal interviews with one of my lead developer, and other one was like the production manager. So both of them were really awesome. They asked me like, what will you do? And more than my technical skills, they wanted my passion, and they wanted me to be passionate about coding. That's it. So what will you do, and what are all your extracurriculars? Like you will play. I said I'll play football, and that was like an added advantage because he too plays football. So we talked about football also. So that is how I got this offer, I think so. Yeah, actually, yes. There are many remote jobs available. For example, even my company doesn't have any developers from Chennai before. They wanted to make a remote connection, so they applied. Like, so most of the people from different countries are currently connecting India for their remote works. So I think like we are getting a better opportunities currently, but after this COVID situation, we will have much more opportunities.
Right. So, which platforms do you suggest are the most beneficial if somebody is applying by himself or herself?
Indeed.com is quite good for South Indian companies, I think so. I didn't get any details about North Indian companies, but as for South India and Mumbai, Hyderabad thing, like they have an awesome details of the companies. And one more thing is Angel.com. So both I applied and I got a lot of interviews from this.
Okay. So before this, how many companies interviewed you?
Is it from AttanU side or like all the whole company?
All combined together.
Yeah, it will be around like 13 to 14 opportunities. One I didn't count because I didn't attend that because they were not available. Not me actually. They were not available. No, I got multiple, but the salary was less, so I was not able to join. Some of the companies from Indeed offered me 2.5, 2.6 all, and one offered me much more, but they didn't want me to work on one stack. That's why I just rejected. This question doesn't matter actually. Like most of the companies I attend, not most, all the companies that I attended asked for a React developer's job actually. So currently there are lots of jobs regarding React.js and Node.js actually. So probably people like it's this question is like very awesome. I don't know. It's like really help. Not really help. It's the necessary thing to crack it. Like I found it very helpful. It started from the basics and maybe sometimes it went advanced, but we have to practice also, right, from our side. Like we cannot say that I'll not practice, everything has to be spoon-fed. That cannot be done actually. And being a mentor at AttanU helped me a lot because I was correcting people and at the same time I was learning too. I have to mentor other guys too. So at the time I wanted to learn. If I want to correct someone, then I have to be correct about what I'm talking. So that was the game-changing part. I joined as a mentor. At that time I learned a lot, I coded a lot, I practiced a lot. And one of the important things is AttanU taught me DSA, that is data succession algorithm. So that was like really awesome. Actually, to be frank, I was working before that with a package of around 4 LPA, and more than that also. Like if I would have continued there, but if you guys are really passionate about being a developer and you want to do something in code perfectly, like you have to learn what is industrial standard curriculum. Your college might have taught you what is there, but maybe this course will take you to the advanced level for the package of more than 6 to 7 after 1 year. After 1 year, you can also get like more than 10 LP. So probably you guys should take